Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by unplugging the fan and removing the clip or stand assembly so you can see the problem. Once done, inspect mounting points for cracked plastic, bent metal, or strip screws. You want to know whether the clip failed or the bracket did. Make sure to keep small parts in a tray and take photos with your phone before disassembly so you can reassemble correctly. You're ready to take the first actionable step. Remove the defective clip cleanly and note attachment points. You now choose repair versus replacement based on damage. If the clip is bent, gently reshape with pliers. If stripped, add a washer and longer screw to bite into solid material. For fractured plastic, roughened surfaces, apply epoxy, then clamp for full cure. Cable ties or a metal strap provide a temporary secure fix while the adhesive sets. Once the new or repaired clip is fitted, test fit the fan to ensure alignment and free rotation. Adjust fasteners so nothing binds or rattles. Reassemble the stand and reattach the fan, tightening screws just enough to be firm. Over-tightening can crack plastic. You'll power it on and observe for wobble, unusual noise, or movement at the clip. Run it at low and high speeds to confirm stability. If it still shifts, make sure the bracket aligns true and recheck wire routing so nothing pulls on the mount. If persistent failure occurs, replace the entire clip or bracket and consider a stronger aftermarket mounting solution as a final fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.